Hey there everybody, it's Tuesday. I'm hungry. It's time to do some camp cooking. Today we're going to try out using the old GI mess kit. Hey, we're making breakfast this morning. I stopped at a QT gas station. If you have one of those in your area, they are a wealth of different packets, different condiment packets that you can use. I got some pancake syrup for this morning. All right. And I got some salsa and some grape jelly. I was watching Broseph Russell's channel the other week, and he's doing some cast iron cooking on Wednesdays. Does cast iron Wednesday, and he did some bannock and bacon, and a bing eureka light bulb went off in my head. I'm gonna make some bacon pancakes. Okay, so while my last piece of bacon cooks up, we're going to make the pancake mix. This is just some just add water mix. I've already pre-measured everything out. I decided to cut the bacon up for the pancakes in little pieces. And I tell you, I'm hungry. I'm having a hard time not eating it. I'm going to reserve the excess bacon fat for the next round of pancakes. I think it's going to be easier to pour my pancake batter in this cup. Y'all want to see what we got going on in here? Alright, so we're going to pull the first batch off. That little bit of pancake batter back on top of the bacon creates a little glue when I flip them over. Cooking over this sterno, I've got some hot spots, so I'm trying to move the pan around a little to compensate. Cooking over this sterno is a real act of patience. It's a really low heat. After the learning curve of my first two pancakes, the next two are coming out looking much better. I reserved a couple strips of bacon so I could cook up some fresh bacon grease for my eggs. Bacon's about done. I'll put some water on for my coffee. Those little tabs don't just instant light, they take a little bit of effort. Put a little foil down on the ground so it wouldn't leave any residue. Alright, let's get the eggs in the pan. Now, I didn't bring any salt and pepper for the eggs today. The bacon fat's going to be my seasoning, and I got a little salsa to go on them. Let's see if we can get out there and see them. Right out on the river there, we got turtle on a rock. Sunbathing action. Out on the Catawba River today. Eggs are cooking up well. Alright, little moment of truth. Can we flip these guys? While my eggs were cooking, my sterno went out. So, now we have to improvise. Coffee doing this thing. We're using the Folgers single tea bag coffee today. So my water gets cold on me. I think maybe we'll move over here to a table where you can see what we got going on and enjoy dinner or breakfast. Let's see what we're going to do here. We're going to take two of these pancakes. We're going to make a sandwich with some grape jelly. I got some pancake syrup for these two. I've got myself some picante sauce for the eggs. show you what we got. There you go, that's my breakfast inspired by Broseph Russell's. Let's see if we're hitting on anything. Bacon pancakes. Oh boy. That's what I'm talking about. Now with the grape jelly, you know it's gonna be right. Well, there, you can eat that walking down the trail. Honey would have been good too. See how these eggs and bacon came out. Now y'all, when you cook your eggs in some bacon drippings, you're going to get some browning. You're going to get some little char from that. Man, that's flavor. Don't be scared of that little bit of char when you cook in bacon. Of course, we can't forget the canteen cup. You know, I don't know if this mess kit made it over to Korea or Vietnam or wherever, but this would have been a happy soldier. And I appreciate getting to sit down and eat with a little bit of history. I got that one a little better. I left that yolk just a little runny. Get that piece of bacon. You know, this is my third time experimenting cooking with that sterno. And what I noticed this last time is the last third of it, my heat was really low. It just barely had enough heat to cook. And didn't quite make it. It ran out of my eggs. I had to get resourceful and finish them off. The first couple times I cooked with the sterno, it seemed to do pretty good. But apparently as the gel drops in the canister, its heat changes. Alright, well, now that I've had a good breakfast, I'm going to scoot on around the corner and go a little range time in with a piece of equipment going back to 1911. It's a good day in history today.